Siddhashrama, popularly called Gyanganj, is considered as a mystical hermitage, which, according to a tradition, is located in a secret land deep in the Himalayas where great yogis, sadhus, and sages who are Siddhas live. This place is also revered as the mystical land of Shambhala by Tibetans. According to another tradition, the Siddhashrama is located in the Tibetan region nearby Kailash Parvat. Though any sadhu, sannyasi, yati, monk, and yogi might have known Siddhashram by any name, or various cults might have used different worship or sadhana methods according to their beliefs. The context of this supernatural land has been mentioned in many ancient scriptures along with 4 Vedas. The Siddhashram is described as a divine place in spiritual journey. Thus, it is also believed that while discharging their divine works in this universe, the spiritually empowered yogis remain in constant touch with Siddhashram and they visit it regularly. Siddhashram is considered as the base of spiritual consciousness, heart of divinity, and the mortifications land of great rishis. Siddhashram is considered as the base of spiritual consciousness, heart of divinity, and the mortification land of great rishis. Siddhashram is equally scarce to human beings and all the visible and invisible creatures. Thus, the Siddhashram is assumed as a very scarce divine place. But it will be possible to get the divine power to enter this scarce and sacred place by doing hard works through sadhana, procedure, and following sadhana path. Siddha Ashram is a secret and mystical land deep in the Himalayas where great Siddha yogis, sadhus, and sages live. Siddhashram is the ashram by our ancestors, saints, sages, and yogis of high order. It is referred to in many Indian epics, the Veda, Upanishads, and Puranas, including the Rig Veda, the oldest scripture of human civilization. Siddhashram is the society for the enlightened people or Siddhas. The person who reaches high level in sadhana can reach the mystical Siddhashram with the blessings of the Guru, who is the regular of this place. This ashram lies near the Mansarovar lake and the Kailash. Siddha yogis and sannyasis are meditating in this place for thousands of years. Like many mystical places mentioned in different religions, this place can't be seen with naked eyes. It's an experience, and only through the path of meditation and spiritual awareness we can experience this place. Swami Vishuddhananda Paramahansa first talked of this place in public. He was taken there in his childhood by some adept and he did his sadhana in Gyanganj ashram for long years. Many in Hinduism believe that Maharshi Vasishtha, Vishwamitra, Pulastya, Atri, Mahayogi, Goraknath, Srimad Shankaracharya, Bhishma, Kripacharya can be seen wandering there in physical form, and also one can have the privilege of listening to their sermons. Many Siddha Yogi, Yoginis, Apsaras, saints are found to be meditating in this place. The beautiful flowers in the garden, trees, birds, Siddha Yoga, lake, meditating saints, and many other things of the place cannot be described in words. Siddha Ashrama is referred to in the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and the Puranas. In Valmiki's Ramayana, it is said that Vishwamitra has his hermitage in Siddhashrama, and it was the erstwhile hermitage of Vishnu when he appeared as the Vamana Avatara. He takes Rama and Lakshmana to Siddhashrama to exterminate the demons who are disturbing his religious sacrifices. In the Narada Purana, Siddhashrama is mentioned as the hermitage of sage Sutta. Several attempts by mountaineers and trekkers have been made to find its exact location, all ending in failure. Even New Age satellites and other mapping technologies have failed to map it. Buddhists, especially from Tibet and India, claim that Gyanganj is not just a place but is a higher dimension. They say that Gyanganj can only be spotted and reached by sages, yogis, and other worthy souls. Those who wish to stay here forever gain immortality. It might have stayed in only common folklore, but some renowned spiritual leaders have claimed to visit it, stalking the legend to a new high.